Hello and welcome to this week's Tech Tool Update. We're actually going to have two updates this week. This first one is really brief, and I'm going to show you how to create an email signature in Microsoft Outlook. I'm actually using the 2007 version of Outlook. The way you can tell is you can go to Help in your Outlook, click on About, and it'll tell you what version you're using. Other versions are going to be real similar to this. So basically the way that you create a signature is you go to New, Mail Message. Okay, this is going to give you a preview of what I've already created here for a signature. I've got my name, title, phone number, email, and website. But once you're in this message screen, you're going to see over here on the right, there's a signature option here with a drop down below it. We're going to go ahead and click that, and we're going to choose the option for signatures. I've already got a signature in here, but if I wanted to create a new one or a different one in addition to the one I currently have, I would simply click this New, type a name for the signature. So let's say this is my personal email signature, which of course will be different. I click OK, and then I can put in here whatever I want. Let's say, again, I'm going to put in my name. Maybe I'll just say thanks, and then my name. And then I'll put in my personal phone number. And then maybe a different email address, which is my personal email address. Okay. And then I choose OK. All right, now I've got two signatures. So if I'm creating an email for the first time, and I'll close this to kind of show you, I'll choose New, Mail Message, and by default my business signature comes up. But if I choose my personal email signature here, it's going to change it with my personal email signature. All right, so I can kind of go back and forth, and I can create as many signatures as I want. One more thing I want to show you in here is under the settings of signatures, you can actually choose what your default signature is over here on the right. So for my email account, Rich Dugan at CFL Biz, all new messages will default to the ERA Showcase signature, which is my business one. If I wanted to change that and have all my defaults appear as my personal signature, I could change that here and click OK. I also, below this, have the option to choose whether or not all of my replies have a signature embedded in them as well. Typically, that's left to none. I'll change this back, hit OK. And that's all there is to creating signatures. When you do create signatures, I recommend that you do them in simple text format. I know that I've seen signatures that have backgrounds and different colorful fonts and so forth. The only problem with creating those type of signatures is that a lot of the email programs out there will actually remove all the fancy colors and images, and you'll end up with a bunch of gobbledygook on your screen. If you just keep it clean and simple and use plain text and hyperlinks, then you'll make sure that everybody who receives your emails can clearly see what you've intended to communicate. Okay, that's it for today's Tech Tool Update, and there'll be one more this week. I look forward to doing that one, and I'll see you then. Take care.